Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can lock and unlock guides on Adobe Illustrator. So select view and then select rulers and then select show rulers. And you're just going to, for instance, create a guide here, which I'm just doing right now at random. Whoops. Hello. Oh, oops. For instance, I made a guide here. Now this is still unlocked. As you can see, I can still move that around. But to lock it, you're just going to right click on the guide and then I'm going to select lock guides. And as you can see, I can no longer move the guides around. To unlock it, just like right click and then unlock guides, and that's pretty much it, really. It's that simple, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.